Hi everybody, welcome back to Fin K-Pop Academy and welcome to the Stray Kids tutorial series. This is your special Stray Kids stretching and warm-up video that you can use for the series, or you can use anytime if you are a fellow stay like me. So we're going to just start with the stretching right away and then we'll get into the warm-up after that. So here we go. I'm sure you guys have done the other stretching videos before, so I don't need to explain things too much, but I'll give you a few notes here and there as we go along, just in case. So make sure to keep these gentle. I don't want you pulling too hard on your neck. It's just to give a bit of a stretch. Okay. And bring it down for me. This is the exact same stretching routine that I use when I'm teaching in Zoom classes as well, or when I'm stretching for myself for practice. Okay. Give me a circle there. Again, gently, I don't want you whipping the head around, okay? We're just trying to softly straighten it or stretch out the back muscles, okay? Gently. And the other way. Okay. I close my eyes when I do this so I don't get dizzy. Okay, now, give me some shoulders, really lift them up and back. Really lift them up and back. Pull them out. Okay, and the other way, bring them forward. Okay. Now check your surroundings. I'm a bit closer to the wall, so I'm going to step forward and swing your arms, big circles. Bring them backwards, big circles. Okay, full extension of the arm. And forwards. Go. Okay, now pull one arm across. Really feeling that stretch in the shoulder. Keep it up, nice and level, don't have it tilted. Good. Okay. And swap it over to the other side. Okay. Now don't twist your body when you're doing this, okay? Keep your body straight to the front. Okay, now pop up one elbow for me. Some resistance on the elbow. Don't pull the elbow behind your head, keep it up nice and straight. Just pushing for some resistance there, okay? I'm just going to step back a bit so you can feel me better. Okay, now we're going to go for a big stretch on the side. Big stretch, big stretch. And breathe through this one. This one's hard to breathe. Okay, and the other side. Elbow, elbow. Again, just resistance. Good. And then another big stretch. All the way over. Okay, now you're gonna reach all the way up. My arms are gonna get cut off here, but I'm stretching all the way up, even my fingertips, almost like I'm trying to reach the ceiling. Which I will never do because I'm much too short, but I can dream. So stretch all the way up on your toes, up everything. Tighten your core to keep your balance. Up. Okay, and bring it down. Get as close to the floor as you can. If you can't get all the way to the floor, you can hold onto your legs, that's fine, okay? Okay, and bring it over to the left foot. Stretching out that way. Bring it over to the right foot. Drop it in the middle. Stretching out the hips. Okay. And twist to one side. So we're pushing out one side. Okay. And give me a twist to the other side. Stretching that side out. Awesome. Okay, now go for a lunge. And with the lunge, it's this leg we're focusing on, okay? So I want you to keep this leg as straight as you can. Be really as straight as you can. So I don't want you to be pushing forward into this knee. It's this leg I want you to stretch. Okay? go. Good stretch there. Okay, now you're going to drop it down for me. Down to the side. Stretching out this leg. Use your hands to keep your balance. Okay, swap over. Okay, back up to one on this side. Again, stretching out this long leg here. Not that my legs are long, but you know what I mean. Stretching it out. Okay, now we're going to sit down. We're going to get the ankles. So, bring one ankle across, then roll it for me. The other direction as well. Okay, now push that knee up. Opposite arm across. I'm just going to scoot forward. Knee up, opposite arm across, and twist to the side. This is gentle now, don't hurt your back. Just a gentle twist. Just loosening things up a bit. Okay, and on the other side, get the other ankle. Get a good roll. Okay, on the other direction. Same thing, bring up the knee, opposite arm, and twist. Okay, take it up. Let's go. And we're ready for the warm-up. So let's get the music for the warm-up. This set. It's really important you've done your bounces before this. If you haven't done those, you need to go practice those first, okay? There's another video for that. 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down, up. 3, 4, down, 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 down. 3, change, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Shake it off, shake it off. Front, let's go. Down, 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 down. Knees, let's go. Up, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Steps, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. 1, 2, 1. Okay, face the side. 3, 4, 1, 2. Turn it back. 2. Chin out. Center. Back. Forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Front to back. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Get the back straight. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Shake it off. Here we go. Head isolations. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside. 1, 2, 3. To the front. 1, 2, 3. To the back. 1, 2, 3. Around. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, together. Up, 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 diagonal. 2, 1, 2, 3. Leans. 1, 2. Keep your shoulders straight. 2, 1, 2, 3. Add the knee. Knee in and knee in and knee in and keep the lean going. In and 1. Make sure your body's straight to the front. We're not tilting. 3, 4. Last. Alright guys, well done! Alright guys, that is your stretch and warm up for this Stray Kids tutorial series. Now, if there's any of those moves that you weren't used to that came up in the basics, like the bounces, which you really should be able to do by now, there's several playlists, several videos on it, so if you don't know how to do those, please go check them out. Bounces are the most important basic in K-pop, so really do practice those, okay? Or the head isolations or the leans and stuff like that, there's videos for all of those in the basics playlist. I'll put the basics playlist in the description box so you can get a bit more practice on those as well. So I hope you've enjoyed your stretching and your warm-up. Please come back and do this every time you're about to do a tutorial video. Very important that the body is warmed up and ready. It also just makes dancing easier, okay? So it's like 10 minutes, you guys can do it, okay? So do go and enjoy whatever tutorial it is you're going to do, Stray Kids or not, and I will see you again soon. Bye!